Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to our Sky office. I hope you like it here. My name is Marek Svitok. I'm working as a senior Golang engineer for Global Video Engineering team. We are doing video packaging. I'm working with Go since 2016. I've been developing backend systems, microservices, architecture, and high-scale infrastructure. Okay, so before we start, I would like to take a small step back and ask some question. Why do we love Go? Well, Go is a simple language, is quite performant language. It has very rich standard library. It has great tooling, right? And it has simple concurrency. But is it simple? Maybe we will find out in the next slides. So at first, I would like to walk through the structure of our talk. So at first, we start defining some constraints for the problem we are going to solve and for the solution. Then we deep dive into manual implementation, how we would implement the problem by hand. From this, I hope we will all agree that the manual implementation is not that great, and maybe using some library for the problem might be a better idea. Then from the usage of this library, I hope will emerge some design patterns. And at last, we are going to walk through the checklist, what you need to keep in mind when you are going to use this library.